Welcome, today I am with VIVO Y52 5G and I'll show you how face unlock works in this smartphone. Let's make a few unlocks. As you can see, it looks like there's no even screen locking option. It works really fast. Right now I'm going to turn my head to the left side and take a look. Okay, that's interesting because I'm not looking even on the phone and it's still unlocked. Take a look. Right now I'm gonna put it like that, and as you can see, we cannot unlock. But when I put it in front of my face, the phone will be unlocked. So as you can see, the face unlock works really fast. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.